To get started with the Bitstamp app, first download and install it on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Bitstamp. After verifying your email, log into the app and go to the Settings section to enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. You will also need to verify your identity by providing identification documents such as a passport or ID card and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Bitstamp account using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. To do this, go to the Deposit section and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies, go to the Trade section and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell and confirm the transaction. You can also set a limit order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price. The Bitstamp app also allows you to view your account balance, transaction history, and open orders. You can also use the app to withdraw funds from your account to your bank account or other payment methods. To stay safe while using the Bitstamp app, always use strong passwords and keep your device and app up to date. Also, be aware of phishing scams and never share your login credentials with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use the Bitstamp app to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies.